Welcome back to Drive Depth, where we take you beneath the surface of the latest automotive releases. If you're into honest reviews, deep dives, and everything on four wheels, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a shift. Today, we're exploring a nameplate that's been a family favorite for decades, the Dodge Caravan. And in 2026, Dodge is doing something different. After a brief hiatus, the Caravan is making a comeback, but this isn't just a rehash of the same old minivan formula. Dodge is aiming to make the Caravan relevant in a world dominated by SUVs, EVs, and crossovers. So, is the 2026 Dodge Caravan still a true people mover, or just another nostalgic reboot? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the design is striking, definitely more aggressive than what you'd expect from a minivan. Dodge has leaned into a sportier look, with a bold front fascia, LED light bar that stretches across the grille, and sculpted body lines that give it a more muscular appearance. It's clear Dodge wants this vehicle to stand out, not blend in. Under the hood, the 2026 Caravan offers two powertrain options. The base model comes with a turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 pushing out around 260 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. But if you're looking for something more forward-thinking, there's a plug-in hybrid variant, featuring a 1.6-liter turbo engine combined with dual electric motors, producing a combined 300 horsepower and offering up to 40 miles of all-electric range. No full EV just yet, but Dodge is clearly bridging the gap. Now, step inside and you'll notice the biggest transformation. The interior feels like a blend of modern tech and practical family features. A new 14-inch center touchscreen running the latest Uconnect system takes center stage, with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates built in. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, and the materials across the cabin are a noticeable upgrade: soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and even an optional suede headliner if you're feeling fancy. Of course, the Caravan's strength has always been versatility, and Dodge hasn't forgotten that. The 2026 model brings back the Stow and Go seating, letting you fold the second and third rows into the floor for massive cargo space without having to remove the seats. There's also a new hands-free sliding door system. Just wave your foot under the side and the doors open. Perfect for parents juggling groceries and toddlers. Safety-wise, Dodge has finally caught up with the competition. Standard driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. For those who opt for the higher trims, there's even a semi-autonomous driving mode for highway cruising. And speaking of trims, the 2026 Caravan is available in three: the base SE, the mid-range GT, and the premium SRT line. Yes, you heard that right, there's an SRT line Caravan. While it's not packing a Hemi, it gets sporty touches like paddle shifters, stiffer suspension, unique wheels, and interior red accents that give it a surprisingly bold personality for a minivan. Pricing starts around $38,000 for the base model and can climb to just over $50,000 fully loaded. It's not the cheapest minivan out there, but Dodge is clearly targeting a more modern, tech-savvy buyer looking for a blend of performance, practicality, and style. So what's the verdict? The 2026 Dodge Caravan is no longer just your grandparents' people hauler. It's been reimagined for today's drivers, families who want space without sacrificing looks or features. It may not dominate the minivan segment like it once did, but it's definitely putting up a strong fight. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and share it with someone still rocking a 2008 Caravan. Let us know in the comments. Would you consider the new Caravan over an SUV? Until next time, keep driving smart, and stay curious. This is Drive Depth, signing off.